what happened was Eric fucked around and he found out.
The wall came very fast.
Yeah, just came flying at the car.
Yeah, I was stunning. Totally stunning.
Looks like you didn't hit any of the suspension parts.
No, everything's okay there.
Yeah, so...
Oh shit, oh, there's my battery. The exhaust. Now it's stuck.
Yeah?
Oh shit.
Okay, I need to do a recap. 2 weeks ago, there was like this not drifting but burning thing. North of Bergen, and Eric decided to join with his car, and
I decided to join it the day before.
The day before. It's in the previous video, and you hear a lot of knocking. That's Eric trying to put the exhaust back on the car. But I managed to... Yeah, I'm not the only one with problems today. He did not do this at that time. This happened later, the next day. I think it went pretty... For me, it looks like it went pretty well until the wall.
And even after the wall also.
Luckily, it didn't hit any suspension. I thought it hit the wheel and it fucked the whole, I don't know, subframe or something. But it's just the wheel alignment is pretty...
It's bad.
Yes, it's pretty not
so maybe
good.
it's better now. Yeah.
Now the silver one is going to some storage. Wow, this is going to be unfucked for project car life.
This is going to... My plan is now is this is going to be more a drag car.
It couldn't be more than than before. It's still pretty a non-street car, but yeah, okay.
Yeah.
And then what?
I don't know.
Send it.
Send it.
So what Eric said to me yesterday was, since he really doesn't care a lot about this chassis, this specific one.
What do you mean?
Nothing. The only thing he wants to, he needs to do on that side is to make it so a headlight will fit on this side and get the trunk, the boot, to be able to latch on. Yeah, something like that.
I'm just using sparkle and some tape.
Yeah, some zip ties.
Yeah. Nice.
Could do the cool X zip tie
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, like I did on our front. I don't see any problem. Hella nice. Oh, please go help.
Send lawyers, guns and money. So yeah, that's pretty much it for update on this car. So for anyone who doesn't know, this car has 5-cylinder turbo, of course, with forged internals, 7A camshafts. It's a 2.2 still.
It's a 2.2 still. 81.5 millimeter diameter of cylinders, and all the cylinders, so the compression is lowered. It's a bigger turbo.
It's a huge turbo.
Yes.
And then 3.5 exhaust all the way from the
turbo
filter.
Yeah.
All
all the way back.
all the way back.
Yeah. And then now my plan is to make something in 4.5, 5 inch.
Really?
Yeah. maybe out the hood or out the side of the fender, or
Yeah, something like this, only bigger.
that's my plan. And of course, I have to build more of the roll cage all the way, not only back here.
Now it's a half cage.
Yeah, now it's just a half cage. I have to make the rest, so I have to stay within the rules. Good enough.
And also he has RS4 gearbox from Audi B7 or something. Rear differential is welded and
Some new parts.
yeah, some parts from Sweden from a few weeks ago. Fucked up the rear differential mount. You have it on? Ah, yeah, of course he has spare. So I guess this one is the one on the best drag strip in Norway. It's of course like 8 hours drive from Bergen. So he fucked up this one.
And the
joints.
the joints.
The inner one. I think the one which goes into the differential. So, and then he fucked that one up on both sides, I think.
I fucked this one up.
Yeah.
Then I upgraded it. This was ordered in Sweden from Fix-It in Sweden.
Okay.
And then
They are called Fix-It?
they're called Fix-It.
Okay.
Something like that.
Okay.
Order both of them. And then an adapter plate on this side. And then when I went to Sweden, to the racetrack on the east side of Norway, I started with a few pulls. Went very well. And when I want to try the maximum power, I just break both of the joints.
Mm-hmm.
And then I figure out I need to do something. I need to fix it. But I don't want to change to the same parts because they are weak. So then I called RG Customs in Sweden. And then I decided to just drive for 5 hours.
One direction?
One direction.
Yeah.
Just to get the parts. So then I got new joints.
Oh, you complete from...
Yeah, complete for everything.
Okay.
New joints.
Yeah.
New axles.
Mm-hmm.
And also this one is new. The joint that is pushed inside the wheel housing.
Okay.
So that's upgraded also. So this will never break. He said there is so many people running this with over 1,000 hours per hour and never one.
Okay.
No one have actually broken them.
Okay, that's good.
So
So then he broke the differential.
yeah, then I fixed this one in a couple hours, and then when I got to the finish start line, I broke this one. Yeah. This is now the weakest point. So this is upgraded, and I need one new here upgraded, and I also want to upgrade this one also. So that's my plan.
He's gonna drive the STSS.
Small
tire stock suspension drag. Small tire stock suspension series. I don't know.
It's a series with within the drag racing.
Yeah.
So there's very fast cars driving.
So if anyone wants to have some stickers on this car, the sponsors, Eric is open for sponsors, as long as you don't mind that it might get dented where you put the sticker. Probably is. So you need to.
Extra, I will aim exactly at yours.
Yeah. If you need to give him some spares. Mk1, it seems like things are working pretty well still. I don't have a lot of updates other than I got some stickers. So I got a few stickers from this guy called Roger Myhre. He has this Myhre schild. It means like Myhre signs. He makes signs on everything and for everyone. Stickers, pictures, you can write your name in stone, anything. I asked him and he gave me a few of these. I put one on this side and one on the other side. I got two more and I was thinking to maybe put one in the front somewhere and one on the rear window since I have two more. And I don't know, if anyone takes a picture of the car from any angle, maybe they will pick up the YouTube thing. When everything is working, it's, you know, it's good to not have anything that I have to do to fix on the car. On the other hand, it's not that much content to make out of things which are working, you know. And I'm gonna try to write down some notes to make the final video for the rear. Final video on how to build an all-wheel drive Mk1, and then I will film it in the next few days. So hopefully that will be the next video. I forgot to mention that I got this for free from this guy. I guess it's these 4 of these are sponsored or, you know, given to me. But this guy is, I can recommend him if you need anything. Like you need to wrap your car, if you need stickers, if you need some sign for your company or for your house or for anything. But as I said, he gave it to me.